Hi and welcome to p5.js tutorial. This is a rectangle that I developed earlier using the p5 and bracket editing software. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to show you guys how I've put this together. Okay guys, let's start a new program in p5.js tutorial. To start with, I'm going to create a function. I'll call that according to p5 function setup, then enter curly bracket, and in there there's one thing I like to do is to create my canvas. Right, and this canvas I'm going to enter the following size: 1350 by 50 by 600. That is my canvas created. Now let's create another function. This other function is to draw, so we have to call draw. That's another function, and this function, let's ask it to draw the background first. The background, I want the background to be 150 by 255 by 250. So that is my background color. Now rectangle, let's create a rectangle there. The rectangle that I intend to create now, I want the coordinate to be 50 by 50. The height and width, I want that to also be 80 by 80 there, and enter semicolon right there. So let's make sure it's saved. Go to file, save, and let's try it out there. So that's how easy it is for us to draw a rectangle using p5.js. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy all of this. Let's just copy it and enter, and let's change. Let's add 100 to this, 100, another 100 here, another one, that's 350, another one 450, and yeah, that's 550. Okay, I still keep my x-axis as 50. So let's go back to file and save that, and let's see what's going to happen. Right there, see, that's what happened. So what I intend to do is to populate the browser just using the same formula. Okay, when you guys want to run it, all you need to do is click on live preview, and there we go. Or you can just press this icon right there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this across and then modify it for the next one. So this will be 150. Make that 150, just 100. There's 100 spacing among them. Right, so the next one I'm going to make that 250. 250. That's to do with the setting of my canvas, so depend on how you want yours. So that's how I want mine there. So let's go to file and save it and see how it's going to look like. There we go. So what I will do now is to speed it up, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, right there guys, so let me show you the whole lines of codes. Let's take it from the top here. So take it down there. Okay, have a good look at it. All I've just done is change the coordinates around. You can do the same thing using JS. Well, yeah, using p5.js. Okay, so let's run it now. I've just saved it. Now go back to file, live preview, click on live preview, and let's see what's going to happen. And there we go, guys. That's how you draw multiple rectangle using p5.js. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.